Sandeep Sharma na Meghalaya, Ulawanra Burom ya ka India da ka Bakur ya ka Takmaksiar, ha ka Kettlebell World Championship Arajar Arpunrio, Kablalong, ha Chisinau Moldova. Ha ka Jacob Arpusau KG, Snatch Half Marathon, Sharma Ulapin E ya ka Bormet ka Baklan, da ka Bapindap hadu Laispa Tali ki Snatch, ha ka Lai Minute, Kablatam Shibon ya ka record Jong Uhi ka Baminshwa. Kani ka job kala pilong yu ban khur ya katak mak siar ka baning kong e jong u ha ka world championship hadien bu ula yo takmar nong ha Hungary house nam arjar apulai but Poland house nam arjar apusau da kani ka job u Sandeep Sharma ula pin pawe ka sab bat ka jingla jong ki nong ya le kai na Meghalaya ha ka rinsan jong ka perthei ban wan ra ru ya ka nam bat ka burom ya ka India.
Five, four, three, two, one, stop.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.